Hello. First of all, I am deeply sorry for being on hiatus yet again. Not intentional though. I just want to show you my current, you can say, go-to makeup look, and there's a particular makeup product that I really love at the moment, and I highly recommend this to everyone, and it is the Charlotte Tilbury Eyes to Memorize Eyeshadow Cream. So stay tuned to find out more about the look that I'm going to create with this. I'm going to start with this toner mist from Nadiza Beauty, and next is the Fenty Beauty Profiltr Instant Retouch Primer. So I'm going to use this. This is from Becca.
I'm just gonna dab this on the highest points of my face.
Next, I'm gonna start to correct with my go-to corrector. This is the Too Faced Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. This is in Sand.
And I'm just gonna gently blend that.
Next, we're gonna apply the foundation. So I'm gonna use one of my favorite foundations ever, Fitme Matte Poreless in 125.
Just gonna dot that.
And then I'm gonna take my Fuzz Beauty multitasker brush.
So I like to use this to blend my foundation particularly. So
Next is my highlighting concealer, also from Too Faced. This is in the shade Vanilla.
And start to blend the under eye area.
And next I'm gonna take my Fenty Beauty matchstick in Bordeaux Brat. I thought it was just Bordeaux, but it's actually Bordeaux Brat. Okay. It might look intimidating, but it's actually a really nice wearable plump shade. Next is another Fenty Beauty matchstick. This one is an Amber. I always use this to contour my nose.
Do a mini V right there. A little bit. And just follow that line that you sort of create. So I just and then I'm gonna glide this around my jawline.
Snatched. So now we're gonna move on to powder.
Set my under eye. Then I'm gonna take a bit more and just run this, kind of cut that whole part. Yes, girl. Just set my forehead, part of the face that you really need to accept. It's the nostril, because that's where you're gonna get creasing.
Let's move on to the eyes, and I've got this one from Feathers My.
Brush the brow upward like so. My current routine is just to shape it like that. Just take the back of the spoolie and kind of press it down a little bit.
Now I'm gonna take a brow pencil. This is from Dot Talks. Draw the tail, just the tail of my brow. Right, so now we're gonna do the eyeshadow. This is amazing. Okay, when you put it on, you get the effects of a shimmer shadow, a transition shade, and even a little bit of depth, because you can just use one product and you get one whole eyeshadow look. It's amazing. And also it's in cream form, so it's obviously really potent. A little goes a long way.
If you're gonna use the pinky, just swipe right from inner corner towards the outer corner like that, and then you go to the crease just a little bit and kind of blend that out. You don't really have to blend the outer corner with the pinky, because that's gonna be. Just look at how there's transition in the crease, there's shimmer in the inner corner, and there's depth in the outer corner. So that's what I'm talking about. So just blend the outer corner like that.
This is from Nude Sticks. This is in the shade Praia.
And I just apply it on my inner corner like that, and just take it towards this part.
And now I'm gonna apply some mascara. This one is my favorite mascara at the moment. This is from Glam.
This is just one application of this mascara.
Oh right, I actually forgot to use my eyeliner.
I'm gonna attempt to do that now, off camera. And then I'm gonna do my false lashes as well. Right now I'm gonna dust off whatever powder that I have left on my face.
This time around I'm gonna use Camellia Cosmetics Cheek Enhancer.
That. So it has that 2-in-1 effect.
Next I'm gonna use my Dior, what is it called? Glow Face Palette.
Just gonna like drag this two like that. The bridge, the tip. Fan brush from Zoeva. Gonna highlight. Actually, I kind of like using this on the cheeks as well because it's like very precise. Like, just accentuate that bit, that inner corner just a little bit.
Next I'm gonna be taking my Velvet Vanity.
This is in the shade Homegirl. I absolutely love this color. Start this right in the middle. I kind of like blend that.
This is pretty much the finished look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and I hope you guys give this a try. And I really hope that you give this a try because it's so amazing. So I hope I see you guys in my next video, hopefully soon. Anyway, take care and be safe.